The communications world is changing. Our devices talk to each other. Our content lives in the cloud. Business models transition from products to services. Meanwhile, security risks abound. Amid this disruptive environment, businesses are looking to gain a competitive advantage and adopt trends quickly. The UC arena is full of potential, but while seeking out the avenues of greatest opportunity, sales partners also have to retain and develop top employees, set themselves up for growth, and develop recurring revenue models. ScanSource will guide you through these innovative times. We are investing the capital and time into providing more tools, programs, and services to support the channel. We work with champion suppliers to create value-added solutions for every leading vertical market. Our shipping is fast and accurate. Our employees are impeccably trained. When you combine the strength of ScanSource with the expertise of Intelisys, you get the UC channel of the future, OneCom, a platform that provides you access to a curated collection of 200+ cloud, carrier, and hardware suppliers. Together, we have the expertise to transform your business, whether you're an agent or traditional VAR, positioning you for success. OneCom is more than the center of your solutions delivery channel. It's a place you gain insight into the UC industry. From regular updates on trending topics to integrated product solutions, industry insights, expert perspectives, and exclusive savings, we have what you need to see the future of UC. ScanSource.com/OneCom is the platform where you'll find those UC resources all in one place. One source, one voice, OneCom.